A cat has 9 lives. This idiom suggests that cats are exceptionally resilient and seem to escape dangerous situations more often than expected, almost as if they have multiple lives. The origin of this idiom is not definitively known, but it dates back to ancient times. Cats were associated with supernatural abilities, and it was believed that they had multiple lives due to their agility and ability to survive dangerous situations. For example, despite falling from the tree, the cat seemed unharmed. Truly, a cat has 9 lives. Or, after surviving so many close calls, people joked that John was like a cat with 9 lives.